Hi everybody, and welcome back to part 6 of Songmaker. You'll see I've made a pattern here, a little pyramid of sound. It goes all the way up, comes all the way back down, and I want it to go up again, but not enough space. Well, what can we do about that? There's an advanced setting for that. Let's go back to the settings menu, and this time we're going to go over to length. Right now we have what's called 4 bars. Let's go back and see what that looks like. You'll see that the areas on your screen are shaded: white, gray, gray. Each of those is called a bar. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 bars. If we go to the settings menu, let's add 2 more and see what we get. I don't see them. I do see, again, another scroll bar. So we've added another white, another gray for bar 5 and bar 6. I can finish my little pattern. You can add and subtract bars in your songs to make them as long as you need. I would need more to go and finish my pyramid. Let's see how many we could add if we wanted to. Oh, wow. It goes all the way up to 16 bars. So we can make kind of a long song with this. 16 bars would let me do a lot more pyramids. Okay? When you're ready for a long song, just go ahead and add bars through the settings menu. Okay? In our next videos, we're going to talk about more of the advanced settings. Okay? Each of them changes your song a lot. So pay attention, and that's why I want a video for each. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye now.